Welcome back, dancers. This month, we're going to be focusing on flexibility, and we'll be giving you multiple stretches that you can do at home to better prepare yourself for what we're going to be doing in classes as well. Let's start by talking about our splits. Here we go. Pick one leg to start with, but you should practice on both sides of your body. Let's just say our right leg is in front and your left leg is going to be on your knee. Make sure that the front right leg is super straight behind that kneecap. You want to fire it up and make sure there's no bend in that front leg. Put one hand on the outside and one hand on the inside of your body. Make sure that your hips and your shoulders are forward facing towards that front leg at all times during your stretching. As you start to get comfortable, let the front leg slide forward, keeping it straight and keeping your foot pointed the whole time. As you work your way down into the split, you can rest comfortably and the tension from your arms will start to release. As a more advanced skill, if you are already all the way down in your splits with your shoulders and your hips in alignment towards that front leg, you can move on to more advanced stretching, which is where you elevate the front leg on a block, or you can also elevate the back leg on a block.